myself Pratistha Sharma and welcome back to my channel. So आज मैंने again आप लोगों के लिए एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल छोटा सा वीडियो शूट किया है and ये मैंने कुछ न्यू लर्न किया है. I hope you all guys like it. I hope you guys like it. So now आप मेरी वीडियो देखिए and comment below कि आपको पसंद आई कि नहीं आई और मुझे और क्या वीडियो शूट करनी चाहिए. Give me some suggestions please guys. इतना कर दो यार, इतना आलस मत दिखाओ please. Let's go!
Hey guys, before applying foundation, we will apply cream. I mostly prefer Bright Complete Garnier because it gives refreshing touch to my skin. After this, we will apply Fit Me foundation which has so many different shades. I prefer honey for my skin color. Before blending, we will apply concealer above the eyelids also because it covers the dark circles and give you a very good finish. I am doing a very light makeup for a day outing, so I am using an orange brown mixed blush and it matches my dress also. Hehe. And this is the new thing that I have learned. These earbuds gives a perfect blending to your eyeshadow. I just love this hack. I know you guys must be finding this weird, but this is seriously amazing. I am also learning some new patterns of liners and will share a video with you guys soon. Let's go and get ready.
Life is a winding